All right, welcome everybody. It's Ruben from Seasons. I wanted to show you the mobile version. I always show you the desktop version, and I have not shown you the mobile version. So I'm going to show you this one on the iOS. This is specifically a phone. It's this iPhone 16e. So I'll show you what it's like to get there on the app from the website. So it's travelseasons.com. You're going to go to the hamburger menu. I did update the website, updated the about section a little bit, got the photos in there from my presentation, so that's super cool. So thanks to everyone that helped me before I graduated. So let's go to the hamburger menu at the top right to go to links to download. This is going to go to my link tree. This has all my updated links on it. So we're going to go specifically to the iOS version. I already have it downloaded, but you can also download it right here. So it's just going to say open for me. And this is the new style, the new version. Okay. So I'm already logged in. I already confirmed that I'm already logged in. That's my name and account. Okay. So for example, let's see what mode I'm in. I'm in browse mode. Okay. So for this version, we have it very similar to the last one. You can see browse versus marker. Browse is where you're just going to be able to look around and add things to your itinerary and navigate. Marker is where you're going to be able to actually add things to the map itself. This is our tourist residence slider. Depending on what region you're going to be in, we can add different layers to that, right? We can see the clusters in real time, what our place is like. We can have the total points. We can have clusters. We can have all the different places that we've ever saved in the map as well. And then we can also filter it based off of that, okay? So let's just go to browse real quick because I want this to be a fast demo. If I want to go somewhere, let's say I want to go here. I tap on that icon. I can either add it to my itinerary. Okay. It's already added. And I can show you that in a second. Then you can navigate there from wherever you are.
Drive north on North Capitol Avenue.
It'll give you turn-by-turn directions. Okay. And it's all within the app, our app itself, right? We're not using Google. We're not using Apple. We're not using Waze or anything like that. When you want to exit the navigation, you can. There is a specific place that you want to be able to add, like let's say this. Okay, that's a sentiment, right? An emotion in that area. We can add that to our itinerary. You can see all of the things in your itinerary here. You can reorganize them, right? You can share this itinerary with your friends, family, or anyone else. Now let's go over how we add things to the map. So let's go to the hamburger menu at the top. We'll go to marker mode. Now let's just go to any specific space, just in general, because this is a sandbox app. Remember, we can always customize it to whatever area, festival, venue, or small town that you'd like. So we're going to go here at the top button with the star. We're going to add a sentiment. Okay, say we feel inspired. We can add it right here. Now that's going to last for 30 minutes. And then if we add 2 more within 100 meters of that, it will cluster for that specific sentiment category, which would be positive, right? Positive thing. We also have spaces, so if you want to add food, we can also add food. Let's go back to marker mode. We can add food. Okay. We can add a health related thing, so we can add Harrison O'Shea. Let's just add this. Let's go back to make sure we're in marker mode. We add that there. Boom, that's added. And then we can also add alerts. So say long lines, just location, boom, report it. And now it's reported, right? So then those will all be, that'll be 30 minutes. This icon will be known for that, right? Statically. This will also be known for that statically. Awesome. And then you can also search for things too. So if you just wanted something simple, so you say like CVS, search. Those are the CVSs in your region. You can check them out. Okay. So this specifically is scraped from, or like we're doing the API Google Place, right? But the navigation, everything else is within there. So you can see other things outside of the curated map that you wanted to have as well, right? We just have to make sure that we have all that data for you so that we can add it. But yeah, you can also navigate to these places as well. Okay, so everything's possible. You can do anything that you'd like to do. Sweet. So this is the app version. Love to chat more. Love critiques. Love anything else. If anything sparks your interest, let me know. Awesome. Hope you have an